In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to mute your video clips in CapCut. There are several reasons why you might want to mute your video clips. You might want to mute your B-roll, or you might even want to mute your main footage if you want to add some sound effects or music on top of it. Let's dive into it. I want to clarify that I'm using an iPad for clarity purposes, but this will work just as well on your phone or on your desktop. Let's start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. I'm now searching a good clip for this example. This clip is perfect.
Hi everyone, welcome back.
As you can hear, my video currently has sound and I want to remove that. Therefore, I click on my clip. Then in the menu at the bottom of the screen, I click on volume and I drag the volume all the way down to 0. Now the volume is totally gone. This way I totally muted my clip. The second method is to mute or unmute an entire track at a time in your timeline. Therefore, you go to the timeline and you click on the mute or unmute button at the beginning of the track. Just by clicking there, this will mute your entire track. It's less precise than the previous method we used, which allowed us to mute a precise video clip, but it can save you a lot of time. Is what you want to do is mute your entire track. That's it. These were 2 ways to mute your video clips in CapCut.